Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is Jolly Fish Academy, and in this video we're going to demonstrate to you guys how to treat a particular catfish disease. Boom. Alright, look at him over here. I saw him this morning when I was changing water. He was still alive. I was lucky to meet him alive, though half dead, you know. Damn, can you see that? This is not as a result of cannibalism or fighting, as the case may be, but it's obviously an infection. And that infection can either be bacterial or parasitic or even fungal infection. You know, from science studies, 30% of bacterial infections are coming from parasites, 60% are coming from bacteria, that's already 90%. Then 9% are coming from fungal, that's 99. I repeat, that's 99, right? Now, as I said before, 60% are bacterial infections, that's from science proof. 30% are parasitic infections, while 9% are fungal infections, and then the remaining 1% are from what we call other form of diseases that are neither bacterial, neither fungal, or neither parasitic, as the case may be. But as far as this particular catfish disease is concerned, I barely can tell you if it is fungal or bacterial or probably or parasitic infection, as the case may be. But the ones I'm very much familiar with are the bacterial infections, especially the dropsy kind of disease, or the swim bladder or the bloat kind of disease. You know, it comes with protruded belly and all that. So, but then there's one particular treatment one can use to treating catfish naturally. You can either use bitter leaf, or you can as well use table salt. So this particular video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how I'm going to use table salt to treating this catfish disease. I just want to believe that I met him alive and a time where he can easily recover from it. But if, however, he doesn't recover from the treatment, then my treatment came very, very late. But however, let's hope he survives it. So let's go ahead and start the treatment process. First, you need table salt. Yes, I want to treat him in a natural way. This is table salt, the normal salt you use for cooking, and then a glass where you can dissolve it. All you need to do is to get 1 teaspoon of table salt. 1 teaspoon. Of course, this is a teaspoon of table salt. All you need to do is to dissolve it in water. Now this is a mixture of table salt and water. I have to first of all dissolve it in any particular quantity of water. By the time this table salt will be fully dissolved, it will turn absolutely transparent. Now once that is done, the next thing I'm going to do is to prepare a 5 liters of water, where I am going to dissolve, or let me say pour this content solution inside. Remember, the quantity is not much, just 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of salt is approximately 4.2 grams of salt. So once you do that, you pour it in a table solution, or let me say in a bucket of water containing 5 liters. This is approximately 5 liters of water already. So all I need to do is, once this salt is totally dissolved, I'm going to pour it inside this water and give him some time to, you know, dwell in it. He will be there for the past maybe 2, 3, 4 hours. Then I'm going to remove him, put him in a quarantine tank, and then put fresh water, allow him to remain there till evening. I will administer another one like that until he picks up and becomes fully active. All right, so at this point, if you see, it's already getting transparent from the bottom, and all the solid particles must have dissolved by now. So all I need to do is to pour the solution inside. Oh, he's running away from it. It's quite a little bit painful. Now this salt is actually not too concentrated to kill the fish, but it's just enough to be able to deal with the bacterial infections you find attacking the fish. If if you remember, salt is what you use to kill fish when they are mature and you want to use them for smoking or something. So you use salt to kill them. You may wonder why using the same salt to treating the fish. Yes, everything depends on quantity. Alright, once again, we are going to administer this treatment in the evening. For now, we are going to leave him in this solution for about 2, 3, 4 hours, then take him off. Alright, let's see what happens next. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boom. This is about 3 hours later. He didn't make it. He died. Yeah, he is lying dead at the bottom. The treatment actually came late. He was almost dead when I started the treatment, so he didn't make the table salt treatment. But that does not make table salt treatment inefficient, you know. It's just about it coming late. Alright, so we have to count him as one of the losses, and we have to let him go. So right away, I will prepare where he will be discarded. Oops, it's really weak. But anyway, it was really gone. It was not really an easy one. However, I will still publish this video. The reason why I'm publishing it is not because I just want to publish the failed experiment or a failed treatment, but I always publish all my treatments on my channel, whether it's successful or not, because I know that the treatment pattern is successful. It's not only successful treatment that we publish all of them in total. Alright, thanks for watching. This is Julie Ben Fish Academy, and do have a lovely weekend.